Have you ever wondered what would happen if you ate a mango every day? Well, in today's video, we're going to explore the incredible benefits of including this delicious fruit in your daily diet. From boosting your immune system to promoting healthy skin, mangoes have a lot to offer. So if you're curious to know more, keep watching. Mangoes, scientifically known as Mangifera indica, are believed to have originated in South Asia, with India being their primary center of diversity. This tropical fruit belongs to the Anacardiaceae family, which also includes cashews and pistachios. Mangoes are known for their sweet and juicy flesh, which comes in various shades of yellow, orange, and red. They're not only delicious but also packed with nutrients, making them a popular fruit worldwide. Let's explore some of its health benefits and see what happens to your body when you eat a mango every day. Number 1. Rich source of vitamins and minerals. Mangoes are loaded with essential vitamins and minerals that are vital for your overall health. They are particularly rich in vitamin C, which helps boost your immune system and promotes healthy skin. Additionally, mangoes are a good source of vitamin A, which is important for maintaining healthy vision and skin. Number 2. High in antioxidants. Another amazing benefit of mangoes is that they are packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your body against harmful free radicals, which can damage your cells and lead to various diseases. By including mangoes in your diet, you can help protect your body from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Number 3. Supports digestive health. Mangoes are a great source of dietary fiber, which is essential for good digestive health. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements and prevents constipation. Additionally, mangoes contain enzymes that help break down proteins, aiding in digestion. By including mangoes in your diet, you can improve your digestive health and prevent digestive issues. Number 4. Boosts brain health. Eating mangoes regularly can also benefit your brain health. Mangoes are rich in vitamins and minerals that are important for brain function, such as vitamin B6 and folate. These nutrients help support cognitive function and may reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Number 5. May aid weight loss. If you're looking to shed some extra pounds, mangoes can be a great addition to your diet. Despite being sweet and delicious, mangoes are low in calories and contain a good amount of fiber, which can help you feel full for longer. By including mangoes in your diet, you can satisfy your sweet cravings without consuming too many calories. Number 6. Promotes healthy skin and hair. Mangoes are not just good for your health, they are also great for your skin and hair. The vitamin A and C in mangoes help promote healthy skin by stimulating collagen production and reducing the signs of aging. Additionally, the antioxidants in mangoes help protect your skin from damage caused by UV radiation. Furthermore, mangoes can also help strengthen your hair and promote hair growth. Mangoes are a delicious and nutritious fruit that offers a wide range of health benefits. From boosting your immune system to promoting healthy skin and hair, mangoes are truly a superfood. So why not include this tropical fruit in your diet and see the amazing benefits for yourself? Start eating mangoes daily and reap the rewards of a healthier body and mind. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. Thanks for watching.